Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can open an incognito or private window in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm an Opera browser and this is how you can do it. So what you want to do is here in your Opera browser, click into that icon in the top left and choose this option, New Private Window, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-N. Alternatively, if you're using a Mac, Command-Shift-N. And then you will be redirected to a new Opera window here at the bottom on your taskbar, so that you may switch between both and use the incognito window here. You will see also that indication, private. So that's it. If you'd like to close it, close it on the taskbar at the bottom. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.